what's going on YouTube? So today I have people who's been asking how can you tell if your rotor is still reusable? If you have a bone apex seal, the rotor has a couple of scratches, but let's say you purchase another rotor. Let's say your seller did not take his time to cover the apex seal grooves, all the edges on your rotor, and for some reason one of those little bad boy, which is the corner seals, so one go in, one slide, one bounce when you have the spring. So this is the easiest way, a simple way to make sure you're ready to go, ready to rock and roll, ready to install. Because if you buy the brand new corner seals, you drop your washer first, which is the spring, and you drop your corner seal. Every time you press, it's supposed to have some little bouncing or some movement. It's supposed to move. That means it's fine. If it gets stuck, that means either your corner seal or either the corner on your rotor is damaged. So we have to take some little you have to massage it, you have to bang it a little bit, you have to reopen it with the little filing. So the easiest way, you're gonna grab an old corner seal from your previous, obviously you open your rotary engine, obviously you have your corner seals. You're gonna keep one, you're gonna clean it, you're gonna sand it down, you're gonna use Scotch-Brite or whatever you can use. Don't take any metal off, just clean it, make sure it's not rust, make sure it's no carbon build. You're gonna grab it, you're gonna grab any type of stick, any metal, whatever fits right in the middle. And you have two options. You can either use crazy glue, you can either use super glue, Gorilla Glue, whatever, you can glue it. On my case, since I have a lot of extra parts, this one was a brand new corner seal, but you can go with the used one. This one new. All I did, you guys might seen this before. This is the key on the eccentric shaft, the main one, the long one, the one that goes in the front. So I took this one, as you guys can see, I used JB weld. So with JB weld, that thing has been working, is perfect. I had this one for over like, it's gonna be almost 2 years, and it still holds. Slides in and out, no problems, making sure. So you guys can see, I JB welded all the side, the bottom, everything's still clear. So it slides right in on the little groove for the corner seals on the rotor. So you gotta make sure, remember, you slide it in and out. Free movement, free spinning around. So that's about it. You don't have to purchase a special tool, because first of all, it's gonna be hard to find, and second, why purchase for something when you already have what it needs, what it takes? So remember, you need the corner seal, any stick, whatever you can put in the middle, and glue it. This is how it should look. It don't matter if the little stick is not straight. The important part is the corner seal itself. Just make sure the sides are clean. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little advice, a little heads up on the homemade little tool, so you can make sure your clearance, or make sure your corner seals dots are perfect. Because man, that's a headache when you purchase some reusable or some used rotors. They don't patch them well, they hit each other in the corners, let's see, these ones right here, but on the rotor it closes, and then this little bad boy, it won't go in. So that's the first thing you have to make sure you have good movement, good free play. And after you push your washer on the new ones, you have to push it, it has to bounce a little bit, it has to have movement. Remember, it has to have movement. It has to bounce when you install first the washer, the little washer, which is the spring, and then the corner seal, and then push it up and down when it's installed on the rotor. And then this one, the only time you use this one is before you install the new ones. Yeah, so you can make sure they have, it goes in and out without problems. Because like I said, sometimes they bang each other or they hit each other and the little groove closes. So you have to make sure before installing, before anything. So yeah, this is a homemade tool. This is how you make it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next one because I'll be showing you on the rotor. Thanks.